Do you wonder what traits make people great and successful? What I've found are two traits: consistency and commitment. They're committed to an industry, they're committed to a cause, they're committed to making themselves better and great. And then they deliver consistent results. Great ones do more than just do the job. Look at the doctors around you and you see they're doing research, they're publishing, they're lecturing. Look for consistency in results and look for commitment of getting better. Don't judge someone because today they did well. Well, a broken clock is right twice a day. Remember that. Commitment and consistency over time.